Hi readers, just wanting to go through a couple of things just because there seems to be a bit of confusion about what we're actually meant to be doing for reading and the expectations there. So I just wanted to go through, first of all, when you find your reading class, I want you to click on that and it'll take you to information and some instructions about what group you are in and what time you are to meet your teacher for that call. So both of your teachers will have their link on DayMap for you. So for Josh, Maddie, Tyson, Gian and Deja at 9 o'clock, they will click on this link and they will be taken to either the WebEx or a Google Meet call with that teacher. You'll also have a task attached, so you can click on the task, it'll download the document and you'll have some information and instructions there. Once you've finished the task, you need to save it and attach it to the assessment in DayMap. Please don't email them to your teachers. They need to be put onto DayMap. So if you go up to Assessment and Task Finder and across to Current without clicking any of those until you get to Current, click on that and it will load all of the tasks that you have. Now, if you find your reading classes, it will have some tasks there. It probably won't have all of them yet, but they will keep coming in. When you get to that task, you click on the blue number over to the left there, and you select My Work. It gives you a space there. You can drag and drop it, or you can go browsing through your computer to attach the file. Apply, you do need to make sure the file is closed and saved onto your computer somewhere. Once you apply it, it will save it and upload it. Okay, if you're not sure whether you have completed the task, it'll also be listed down on the right hand side here. So if you've got one that says overdue, work has not been received, then you know that work is also due. Again, you can click on that and it'll take you directly to it if you don't want to go through that other process of the assessment up the top. So I'm hoping to see lots of work attached to DayMap, and I want to see your reading reflections and a lot more attendance into those calls, because remember, this is an essential part of your learning and everyone needs to participate in those discussions, which are the most important thing with your teachers. If you've got any problems, please email myself or your classroom teacher, and I hope to see you in your reading classes. Bye.